Hello, and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting peacefully or lying down. Allow your hands to rest naturally. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out any tension. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to accomplish right now. This moment is yours. Simply breathe. And listen to the peaceful sounds of nature surrounding you. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension. And allow it to soften. Relax your forehead. Your eyes. Your cheeks. And your jaw. Let your neck become loose. Allow your shoulders to gently melt downward. Feel your arms becoming heavy. Your hands completely relaxed. Now bring awareness to your chest. Notice your breathing. There is no need to change it. Simply observe each peaceful breath. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs, your knees, your calves, And finally, your feet. Your entire body is calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Imagine yourself standing in a peaceful forest. Morning sunlight gently filters through the trees. Fresh air fills your lungs. The birds sing joyful melodies. Leaves dance softly in the breeze. With every breath, you feel more connected to nature. The earth supports you. The trees surround you with quiet strength. The fresh morning air fills your heart with peace. Take a deep breath. And feel completely present. As this new day begins, allow gratitude to gently awaken within you. Be thankful for this breath. Be thankful for this new morning. Be thankful for another opportunity to grow. Silently repeat after me. I am grateful for today. I welcome peace into my life. I welcome kindness into my heart. I welcome hope into this new day. Every sunrise brings a fresh beginning. Every breath is a beautiful gift. Repeat quietly in your mind, I am calm. I am peaceful. I am strong. I choose happiness. I release yesterday. I embrace today. I trust myself. I believe in new beginnings. Peace fills my mind. Love fills my heart. Joy fills my life. Everything I need is already within me. Take another deep breath. And let these words settle into your heart. Now simply breathe in and out. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breath. As you breathe in, imagine breathing in fresh forest air. As you breathe out, release stress, worry, and fear. Each breath makes you lighter. Each breath makes you calmer. Simply breathe and enjoy this peaceful moment. Before you begin your day, choose one simple intention. Perhaps, today I choose peace. Today I choose kindness. Today I choose patience. Today I choose gratitude. Allow that intention to become your guide. Carry it with you throughout your day. Begin bringing awareness back to your body. Notice your breathing. Notice the sounds around you. Gently move your fingers. Move your toes. Take one deep breath in and slowly breathe out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this peaceful energy with you wherever you go today. Thank you for spending these peaceful moments with me. May your day be filled with calm, joy, gratitude, and gentle moments of happiness. If this meditation helped you, please consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who may need a peaceful start to their day. Until next time, take care of yourself. Keep breathing, and may peace always be with you. Namaste.